awake already, running blind. No start, no mercy in my mind. 1,000 thoughts like shattered glass. They cut too deep, they move too fast. They stack, collapse, then multiply. No space to breathe, no reason why I chase one thread. It splits in two, then leaves me choking on the truth. The walls lean and they know my name. They whisper back the things I blame. Each second fractures as it grows. A swarm of things I can't control. A blade behind my eyes keeps turning slow, carving everything I'll never know. My mind is noise that never dies. A swarm of teeth, a nest of knives that strike fast then rot away, but leave their poison in my veins. I'm dragged beneath a blackened tide where every version of me lies. No silence left, no mercy found, just endless darkness pulling down. Some nights I feel like something ground, like I could burn this whole world down. Every word feels sharp and right, like I could outpace time itself tonight. I talk like I've outrun the grave, like I'm too brave to be contained, like nothing living could compare to what's unraveling in there. Something snaps without a sound, and all that light turns inside out. The same voice that called me king now claws me back beneath the rain. The past is never buried deep, it lives in me, it doesn't sleep. My mind is noise that never dies, a chorus built from alibis. Thoughts collide and cannibalize till nothing in me feels alive. I'm caught inside a shifting void where every sense is overjoyed, then ripped apart and rearranged until I don't feel the same. If I could tear it from my head with something worse replace instead. If I could silence every scream, would I erase what's left of me? There's something coiled beneath it all. It waits for me to finally fall. Not loud, not cruel, just patient still, like it already knows I will. Time distorts it, chews me thin. Every second caves me in. I try to stand, I glitch, I